Hi there, folks. I'm Chief Meteorologist Darby Bybee with your 4029TV.com forecast. Let's talk about our Monday night going into Tuesday morning. Now, you might have heard that we do have a flash flood watch in place. Now, we do for northwest Arkansas, Washington, Madison, Carroll, and Benton counties. Starting at 7 p.m. this evening, going through 7 p.m. on Wednesday. Now, we could see a few showers and thunder showers in northwest Arkansas as a cold front moves in late tonight, early on Tuesday morning. We're not expecting flash flooding, though, tonight. Now, that's going to change as we get into our Tuesday, especially Tuesday night. Take a look at an 80% chances of storms in northwest Arkansas throughout the day on Tuesday as that frontal boundary stalls out. Lesser chances of rain in the River Valley, and really we're expecting less rain in the River Valley the next 2 days. So that's why that area does not have a flash flood watch. But the flash flooding will be possible on our Tuesday. Take a look at our in-house model, in particular in northwest Arkansas. Again, here's that cold front moving through 7 a.m. Yeah, a few scattered showers or thunder showers out there possible, but look at that. Some very heavy rain moving through much of northwest Arkansas, parts of the River Valley too throughout the day on our Tuesday afternoon. But this frontal boundary stalling out right over northwest Arkansas, northeast Arkansas, or northeast Oklahoma, and southwest Missouri. So it's in this area in particular that we expect the most rain to occur, especially Tuesday night. And then again throughout the day on Wednesday as that boundary stalls out. So what are we talking about here? Well, this is our in-house model. It came out at 10 a.m. on our Monday, and this is what it was showing: 6 to 8 inches of rain across northwest Arkansas. Now, some of our other models show the heaviest rain actually being further north, closer to the Tulsa area, out towards Joplin, up towards areas around Coffeyville, Kansas. Other models showing it being in this area. So where that heavy rain actually sets up is going to determine where we see the flash flooding. Right now, it could be anywhere from northwest Arkansas into southeast Kansas. So it's something we're watching very closely. Again, especially Tuesday night into Wednesday. Now we'll have an update on where that heavy rain is expected to be coming up tonight at 9 on the CW and at 10 on 4029.